We're at this beautiful spot.
And I can see water dripping down from the sill here.
We just booked something really exciting. I feel like every park up Myron finds has like a terrible drive to it.
Hi, I'm Hannah.
And I'm Myron.
We live full-time in our self-built Mercedes Sprinter campervan. After a couple of months of travel, we finally make it to the Lofoten Islands. Pictures of this place put Norway firmly at the top of our bucket list. So we're beyond excited to finally be here. Other than the extraordinary scenery around us, today's a pretty ordinary van life day. We drive a lot, do some grocery shopping, plan our upcoming route, and of course, discover an issue with the van.
We have been driving for a couple of hours this morning and now we've just pulled over to make some lunch. We're at this beautiful spot. Where are we going, Myron?
We're en route to the Lofoten. We're en route to the Lofoten Islands,
Woo!
which from the drive here already is amazing. We've been on an island for about the last hour and a half.
Yeah.
And I think we still have about 3.5 hours to go, and this place is so picturesque. The water is so clear and just so blue-green.
The water was so beautiful that Myron even took a swim earlier in the
Now I'm
week.
gonna go for a swim. Crystal clear water, lovely Norwegian. Lovely, we're in an Arctic Circle as well, so. That water is freezing. Like a whole bunch of needles attacking your skin. But it's super nice and refreshing, especially after that run.
Pictures of the Lofoten Islands is what made us like mostly want to come to Norway. So we're so excited to be finally getting there. But first, we need some lunch.
Yum.
So it might look like we're having breakfast, but this is actually our lunch. We had cereal for breakfast a few hours ago, but now we're having more breakfast for lunch.
So we've been parked here for about half an hour and I can see water dripping down from the sill here onto the ground. And if I put my hand in underneath, the hole that I have on the other side of this, where the hose goes through for the LPG, I think water's been getting flicked up from the back wheel, falling into that hole and then collecting in here because I can feel water level up to about this height here. So what I'm going to do is drill 2 holes here to let the water pour out, and then I'm going to have to fill that hole in when we get back to the UK. Oh, that's a lot of water.
So we just booked something really exciting. We hardly ever do tours or things like that because we try and spend as little money as possible, but we have just booked a boat and kayak tour. I am so excited. So we're going to keep driving along the Lofoten Islands to a little town, and then tomorrow we take a boat to a tiny little island, and then we do a kayak trip, which is so cool. Myron last did kayaking in probably high school, right?
Yeah.
And I last did kayaking probably in primary school. So this is going to be loads of fun.
There's lots of these little red berries on the ground. Thought I might try one. Not too flavorful. Doesn't really taste like much at all. So the people that I passed on the track gave me these berries to try. Do you want to try one?
They're trying to kill you.
No.
Have you tried it?
Yeah. You try one.
Is it gonna kill me?
No, it's not gonna kill you.
What did they, were they just like, here?
Have you tried the berries?
They said that?
Yeah.
Where are they from?
The ground.
No, where are the people from?
Oh, from that car just there.
Are they Norwegian?
Yeah.
I'm scared. I don't trust you.
Chewing it very slowly. What does it taste like?
Plastic?
Plastic?
I don't like it.
Oh,
What did you say it tastes like?
just like nothing really.
Yeah. Like the outside tastes like plastic and the inside tastes like nothing.
It's quite watery though, which is nice, but...
I don't like it. Did they actually give them to you?
No, I just want to know if it was edible.
Did they not give it to you?
No.
So after Myron tried to poison me, we're now back on the road. I think it was a lingonberry, so not poisonous, but still, he tricked me. There's been some kind of race and we're gonna cross the finish line.
So we've just come to the supermarket, Rima 1000, and we're going to get some food for the kayaking tomorrow. So we've got the food and now we're going to try and work out where we're going tomorrow. It says to go to Market Square, but we keep putting that into Google and nothing comes up in this town. So we're going to drive past where we think the main road is, and then we're hoping that we'll just see it on the side of the road there.
We found it, so now it's time to find somewhere to sleep tonight. I feel like every park up Myron finds has like a terrible drive to it. It's always like up some random road. Or,
it looks like someone's driveway and you're like, oh, I don't know if I'm meant to be driving up here, but
it's just, it's not like when we look at Park Finite, we're like, oh yeah, that one's going to be a bit harder to get to. It will look the exact same as one I will pick. Yours will just always have like a worse drive. I think I should be the only one picking spots. So we got to the spot, but it's not very good. So we're gonna drive to the next one. But it's now pouring with rain, so I need to climb over the seats to get to the front because I do not want to go outside. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.